Ready to ditch those hefty mobile bills and unlock a world of customizable mobile freedom? This video is your complete guide to switching from mobile to US Mobile, ensuring a smooth, hassle-free transition. First, let's explore the US Mobile plans. Head to their website and compare plans and pricing to find the perfect fit for your data needs and budget. Before anything, check if your mobile phone is unlocked, which you can usually find within your device settings under About Phone or by contacting mobile support if locked. Request and unlock from mobile. Next, gather your mobile account number and PIN, which you'll need to port your number. You can find this information on your mobile bill or by logging into your mobile account online. Order your US Mobile SIM card online and choose a plan, and during the activation process, you'll be prompted to enter your mobile account information to port your number. Be ready, as this could take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. Once your number is ported, insert your US Mobile SIM card, and you may need to configure your phone's app settings for data to work correctly. US Mobile provides specific instructions on their website for different phone models. Finally, if you encounter any issues, US Mobile's customer support is readily available through chat, email, or phone, and that's it. You've successfully switched to US Mobile and are now ready to enjoy flexible plans and potential savings. Don't forget to cancel your mobile service to avoid any further charges. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.